Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to change your age on YouTube. So now YouTube uses the date of birth linked to your Google account to determine what content you can access, and if the age is incorrect, you may face restriction on certain videos. So first open YouTube app to change your age, and after this click on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and then click on settings icon at top right corner. Now under account section, click on switch or manage account. Now just click on manage your Google account, and once your Google account page open, just tap on personal information at the top. Now here you will see a birthday option, so just click on it. Now again click on birthday option, and from here update your birthday. First enter the day, then select the month and then enter the year, and after entering click on save button to make changes. And if any confirmation message appear, just confirm the action, or you may need to verify using OTP. So after verifying, your age information will be updated and YouTube will use the updated age linked to your Google account. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.